Students, today we are going to learn least common multiple, that is LCM. We will learn how to find out LCM. You have already learned how to find out SCF. Now we will see LCM. See, the least common multiple of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number. Now see here in this example, numbers are 10, 15 and 20. First we will find out factors of all these numbers. Now see here factors of 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 5 is prime number. So 5 ones are 5. So factors of 10 are 2 into 5. Now see factors of 15. 3 is prime factor of 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 1. So factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Now see factors of 20. Lowest prime factor of 20 is 2. 2 10s are 20. Again 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5. Now factors of 20 we will write here horizontally. 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. In SCF we are writing common factors and then multiplication of common factors is SCF. In LCM we will write common factors as well as uncommon factors and multiplication of both that factors will be LCM. So see the difference. So common factors. So common factors are here 2 is not there common, then 5. Yes, 5 is here, here is also 5, here is also 5. So 5 is common. Circle that 5. Here these 2 and these 2 is also common for 10 and 12. That also we will take once only. See these 2 and these 2. So we will write here 5 into 2 or you can write 5 comma 2. Okay. Now uncommon factors. What remain here now? 3 and 2. Here you can write 3 comma 2. Here also you can give comma. Now what is LCM? LCM is equal to common factors into uncommon factors. So common factors are 5 and 2. So write here 5 into 2 and uncommon are 3 and 2. So write here 3 and 2. Write multiplication of that. LCM is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 and 30 2s are 60. So LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 60. This is our answer. Example we will solve by another method which you will like, that you can follow. See, numbers are 10, 15 and 20. Now this method we will use for factorization. See, 10, 15 and 20 you can write like this. Then draw lines for factorization. Now all three numbers are divisible by which number? 5. 5 is common for all three. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now here are 2, 3 and 4. Now we will see what is common in all these three. No common factor because 3 is prime number, 2 is prime number and 4 we can take out 2 from this 2 and 4 but not from 3. So like this we can do 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is and 2 2s are 4. Now here LCM will be, LCM is equal to these common factors and these uncommon factors. So multiplication will be 5 and 2 and then these 3 and 2. So it will be 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 and 30 2s are 60. So same answers. See here LCM is 60, see here LCM is 60. So from these both methods, which method is simple that you can follow? Means which you feel simple that you can follow. Now one more example we will see. Numbers are 16, 28 and 40. Now here factors of 16. Prime factor is 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we will see factors of 28. Prime factor is 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. So factors of 28 are 2, 2 and 7. So 28 is equal to, we can write here 2 into 2 into 7. Factors of 40. 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. Then 2 10s are. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. So factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So here we will write factors of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we will find out common factors. So see here common factors 2, 2 and 2. So one time we will write that 2. Then again 2, 2 and 2. One more time we will write that 2. Now here 2 is there. Here 2 is not there, but downside again 2 is there. So that also one time only we will write. Remember that. Again 2. Now here 2, 7 and 5, 3 are different. So that are uncommon factors. That we will write down uncommon factors is equal to 2, 7 and 5. 2, 7 and 5. So what will be the LCM now? LCM is equal to common factors into uncommon factors. So what are the common factors? 2, 2 and 2. So right here 2 into 2 into 2, and uncommon are 2, 7 and 5. 2 into 7 into 5. So multiplication of all these numbers is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 5s are 80 and 87s are 560. So multiplication is 560 and this is LCM. So this is answer of our question. Here I will use another method. Factors are 16, 28 and 40. We will find out factors. Common is 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4 and 0. Again common is 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. Now here for this 4 and for this 10, 2 is common. So 2 2s are 4. Then 7 as it is, because 7 is not divisible by 2. Then 2 5s are 10. Now here 2, 7 and 5, nothing is common. So that are uncommon factors and these are common factors. So for LCM we will multiply these common factors and these uncommon factors. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 means these common factors, and now we will write these uncommon factors that are 2 into 7 into 5. See, same factors we got, common and uncommon. Here also same factor. So multiplication is 560. So LCM is equal to 560. This is our answer. So both methods are very simple. You are familiar with this method, and this is new. This is new but short. So you can follow anyone from that and can solve all examples. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.